Hello there. And well, I got myself a delivery from Amazon. And what can that be? Well, it should be one of these. Yeah, an AKAI Professional APC Mini. Let's bring it a bit bigger for you, so you can see. There you go. Oh, what's going on there? Let's just sort that out. You want voice changing on there? This is what APC Mini is going to be replacing for me. I want it so I can do, well, sound effects for my live editing for my YouTube channels. Not this one, but another one. It's a bit controversial. Yes. So, I'm going to do this unboxing stuff. It came today. It came in the usual kind of plastic kind of envelope. And this little device here cost me €63 on Amazon. And it appeared to be a bargain where you got the usual kind of, you know what, whatever you want that for. And there you go. That is it. That is my APC Mini Compact Ableton Live controller. On the front here, Ableton Live Lite, that's what it comes with. So get your copy of that, free copy of that. Hybrid free Toolroom Arts Launch packs. I believe there's another piece of software with it as well. You've got this hybrid free. Yeah, it's a synthesizer. It's a high-tech kind of APC synthesizer. So that's pretty cool. And also you get Ableton Live. Now that is a bonus. Now it's only the light version. It's not the full version, but it's plenty good enough for what I want it for, because I want it for sound effects. Yeah, and maybe controlling stuff. So let's have a look. What we've got. So you've got the usual kind of cardboard box. Inside there, we then have our little plastic. Well, that I don't know what you can do with that. Oh, and we have the device itself, retained in a blow moulded sleeve. Nothing behind there at all. That is it. So let's get rid of this bit, shall we? And then we got we've got manuals. Ooh, which are probably in 100 languages. By your own. I imagine it's English. Now, actually, on first impressions, I just picked the box. When I first picked the box, I thought, because the pictures make it look a little bit, had to put a bit flimsy looking. It looks lightweight, but it's actually quite weighty. Yeah, which is reassuring. Right, so that is pretty much it. This is not a review, so it's just an unboxing. So that is the APC Mini. Oh, they feel a lot nicer than what I was expecting. €63, remember, that's cheap, isn't it? For what it can do. There's 64 buttons, and it costs €63.99. So that's €1 a button. So all this lot's free. So you've got your slides on there, and they do feel good, and you've obviously got your select switches, and some scene launch buttons on side here as well. Yeah, it feels a darn sight nicer than what I was expecting. Because when you look at the pictures online, they all look a bit naff, a bit rubbishy. Even the videos I've seen, they all look a bit, yeah, a bit crap. But this actually feels pretty blooming good. These all light up as well. I think they've got 3 different colours, sort of like RBG, what? Red, RGB. That's RGB. That's the one. Red, green, and blue. On the back here, it's got a red back cover. At first I thought that was going to be tacky, but it's not. It feels good. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 little rubber feet. And what we've got in the instructions, So what I'm going to use it for is each of these buttons are going to be assigned to little sound bites. So like, for instance, it could be anything from, Yoda or, you know, or the force is strong in this one. Or anything like that. Silly stuff. And that's what I'm going to use when I do my live edits. Because my YouTube channel, not this one, but that one, I don't edit. I won't be editing this video either. And because of that, I do what we call like a live edit. So all the, I suppose, how do you explain it? It's a bit like being like a radio DJ in a way, where you're actually doing everything there and then, and it's not been put into DaVinci or any other editing software. It's literally just been uploaded from that. It saves a lot of time, and also that's kind of the style of my videos. So this little device here, it's going to add another dimension. It's going to make it a bit more interesting, a bit more fun, and quick and responsive. Now, one of the reasons I wanted this was because before I was using things like this, which is like a soundboard, an online soundboard. So if I click on there, you'll see what I mean. Like for instance,
a disturbance in the force. There is.
Oh, there's a disturbance in the force. Great, but when you've got the camera on you and you're doing your bits and pieces, they don't want to see you looking at things doing that and your hand moving about. It's obvious what you're doing, isn't it? Whereas this, all I've got to do is press a button, press that button. And I can assign, say, I don't know, if I'm doing a video and had like 6 different sound bites, I can just rig up 6 different sound bites, and it's all I've got to worry about is 6 little buttons. Simple. Really, really easy. I'm not going to play drums or anything like that, not for my purposes. It's just purely for the launching of maybe devices, but also sound bites. Oh, yeah, so I could press that and something like that happen.
Smaller in number, are we? But larger in mind.
Yes, that's true. So that is pretty much that. You get a cable, which is a bit like a printer cable, USB printer cable. And what we've got here in the manual, how are we doing for time? We're very okay. There's no backing track here, so I'll have to make one, Okay, so in there we get our AKAI Professional APC Mini User Guide. And that is in, how many languages is it in? We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 languages. English, Spanish, French, Italiano, Deutsch, and English again. That's in the appendix, is in English. So we've got 5 languages. So that's not a huge amount of information, but do you really need? Most of it's going to be online anyway. And if you like me, I just YouTube it if I want any extra stuff. So yeah, there's not a lot. It's about what? 1, 2, 3, 4 pages pretty much, and then it goes to Spanish. So you don't get a lot of information in there anyway. And what's this? This is literally just like the guarantee and warranty information. In case you've got a problem, send it back to. And what's that? What's that in there? What's something else in there? Look, what? I don't know what it is. Is it a sticker or something? I don't know what that is. I was like, oh, software download instructions. And then you get your Ableton Lite, Ableton Live Lite version. And on that back, you get your code. The code is on the back there. So that is your code for your version of the software. So you obviously got to keep that somewhere safe. Make a note of it even. Tattoo it on your forehead. So anyway, that is my new device. It's my AKAI Professional APC Mini. It feels a darn sight nicer than I was expecting, especially for the price. And in fact, watch it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and maybe that little bell icon because you get a warm fuzzy video in your pocket every time I upload another video. And I know you'll be excited about that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Anyway, the blue and off the stop record button's on the other side of my camera.